I'm Roger Dubert here at the 750 Super Duty. I want to invite everyone out for the virtual Rudder workshop next November 6th at starting at 9 a.m. Central Time to 2 p.m. Central Time. We'll be building the 750 Super Duty. We have about 10 participants building the rudder, and they're all going to be building the Super Duty. And we're going to have several guest speakers on the show, and talking about engine, avionics, building, building the Super Duties. We got several builders out there that are doing videos on building the Super Duty. And hope you guys can join us next Friday at 9 a.m. Central Time for the Rudder workshop. If you're home not doing anything, or you want to purchase a rudder, go ahead and purchase a rudder. Maybe we can get it to you before next Friday. You can build one with us. We typically have a rudder workshops once a month here at the factory on a Thursday and a Friday. We have had them all year, but this next month we're going to have a virtual workshop. So, you can't don't get the hands-on like you come to the workshop or the demo flight, but we'll try to do our best and answer all the questions that we can. Great day to be flying mid-Missouri on a late fall day. As you notice, you can tell my shirt I'm wearing today. One of our customers is building a Super Duty. He's making these shirts. And I think it's College of Zenith Aircraft or something like that. And nice shirt to be wearing flying the Super Duty. He's already built a cruiser, and he's about, probably about 20% finished with the Super Duty. He's just finishing his first wing, and he'll be attending our workshop park. Be attending our workshop, answering any questions you guys have. All right, everyone. Well, hope to see you next Friday, and we're going to go in and land on the grass strip here at Mexico Airport. All right, we're going to do our final checks. Mexico traffic experimental is turning final for 18 Mexico, 18. There's no wind today, so everybody's landing on all the different runways today, so I've landed at every one of them, I think. And so there's runway 18, and we're going to slide over to the left side and land in the grass. And we're down in the flap range. Going to add a little bit of flaps. It's shorter approach. Going to add the rest of them. We have flaps all the way down. And get lined up here. I can tell I got a little bit of crosswind from the southeast, which I think they said it was only, 100 degrees at 4 or 5 knots. And to land really short, what you want to do is you want to come in as slow as you can, but a little bit of power, and when you get ready to touch down, start bringing the nose up and adding just a little bit of power to stop that forward momentum. Reduce the power. Now I'm going to add it in just a second. I got 2 landings out of that one. But I keep the stick. See, I keep add power, keep the nose up. Fun airplane. You can have a lot of fun doing different kinds of maneuvers. Alright, everyone, hope to see you next Friday, and if you have any questions, feel free to make comments, type them in, and we'll try to see what we can do. See ya!